Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have, I think, my Boxy pop-up order. I have 3 little orders coming, but I think this is the biggest of them and it makes me a little nervous that it's just a little mailer bag, so let's get in here and see what I've got. When I first received this bag, I was a little nervous. I knew that I had a Boxy pop-up coming, but this is tiny and I have a few things and I would have guessed it would have taken a bigger package than this. And then I started watching other people's, I'm cutting through it. I started watching other people's unboxings and they had things in bags too, and some of them didn't fare so well. So we're just gonna dig in here and see what I've got, because it's so hard not to do Boxy pop-up because you get such great deals. Yep, it is my, it is my Boxy pop-up. I'm laughing because of the condition of one of the things that I ordered. Okay, I'm going to start this by saying this didn't sit out in the sun at my house, but I feel like it probably sat out in the sun somewhere. This is a pistache lotion bar. Aw, if you hear little sounds, there's a little boy next door and I can hear him pulling his wagon around. He's so cute. This is the Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Lotion Bar. And it looks like it has definitely seen better days. I've tried to pull the bag out from around it. It's still in its bag. I will give it credit for that, but it is, you can tell, like if I push it, actually pulling the bag away from it, it's pretty mooshed, but it's a lotion bar, so it should be fine. I will get it really cold and try and reshape it. Should I take it out? So it's just in, I guess if it came perfect, it would look cute, but they've put it in like a sandwich bag type thing, and it just didn't hold up to the shipping. Since it was my guess that this is what this was going to be and I didn't have any information on it, I went ahead and went into my account and wrote down a few things. So this is the Pistache Skincare Pistachio Lotion Bar. I paid $4 for it and it is normally a $12 purchase. Would have been heartbroken had I spent $12 for this. It looks like Bigfoot stepped on it. Melt away stress and experience pistachio oil in a whole new way with the Pistachio Lotion Bar. Warm in hands and use as lotion or for massage. Well, I'm not going to take this out because I suspect once I do, it's going to be a big old mess, but it smells fantastic and I will for sure give it a try. Okay, next I have the Beauty by PopSugar Trio Time Eye. This looked so cute online. I didn't know how big it was going to be, and it's pretty small, but that's fine. It's like a little trio all stacked of eyeshadows, and I just thought that sounded so cute for like if you were traveling. This is what it looks like, and you can just open it up. You can, isn't that cute? That's the top, and then from the side you can pull, and you've got 2 more colors. How cute is that? The color I chose, the colorway is Morocco, because I thought it would just make a nice natural eye look like if you were traveling. And all I wrote down was that it comes with 3 colors, a shimmer, a satin, and a matte. I paid $6 and it is a $27 value. So I would say this is my shimmer, this is my satin, and this is my matte. So I can do this all over, this in my crease, and then this just like I like to do with the edge of my lid. That is so pretty. I am so glad that made it without any damage, so excellent. Next I have, only slightly stepped upon, the Ilia Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment. And this is in the colorway Sing, and it is a blush and lippy. It feels a little sticky at the top, but I think it might be from our pistachio bar. And this is what the bottle looks like, and it is a blush and lippy. And what I wrote down about this was it was $9 to me, a $32 retail value. Cream, blush, and lip color in one. Stays dewy on the cheeks and is a modern matte on the lips. And it is a whipped formula. Well, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's a pretty applicator. So if you were using on your lips, it would be super easy. Let's just try and get a little out. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. It's very dark. This might be better on my lips than my cheeks, but let's tap it out before we decide. Oh no, this is, you would have to use way less. I will show you guys. You guys saw how little that was? You could use your lips and both your cheeks with the amount that I took. I will tell you though, it is plenty creamy, and yet it doesn't leave you at all oily. You know, like those milk sticks that we got that leave you. This doesn't feel like that. This feels like it's creamy, but it doesn't feel like if somebody touched me right now, or I wouldn't feel sticky. That is such a pretty color. It will be very dramatic on my cheeks, but if I took just a tiny bit, especially like on a no makeup day where I just wanted to add a little flush, that is so pretty. And this next purchase was just because I was sad. This came in our boxes and I got like the Sassy Siennas or something like that. And I really wanted the Blushing Berries. So I picked this up. It was $10 and they say it has a $32 value. It is Blushing Berries, so it's all gonna be the pinks and the reds that I like. Uh-oh, that's never a good sign. We'll be hopeful. And it's all mattes. And I love mattes. I have a lot of shimmers that I can apply on top of a matte look, but I love making a look with mattes. Oh, she's beautiful. There was no need to worry about that color in the box. This is so pretty. I knew I wanted this. Oh my goodness, guys. Look how gorgeous that is. It's probably more dramatic than I will wear a lot in the summer, but come fall and winter, that is so gorgeous. Let's swatch it real quick. I really like the formula of this dose of color. I can't remember if I got the browns or the siennas. That's how often I've used it. But I do remember that it was a little warmer than I could wear, so I couldn't wear it often, but oh yeah, it is so creamy. These are the first 4 colors. How pretty are those? Oh my goodness. And then the last color, I will do it on my thumb. It's the black, and it is so creamy. Oh yeah, I knew I needed this palette. This is so, oh, that red, you guys who watch the channel and know me know I am digging that red. That is so pretty. I love all of that. I did such a bad job swatching. I am so sorry about that, guys. This is my second video and I put so much oil on the back of my hand that it's grabbing everything, but these colors are matte and fantastic. They will make, there are so many in these 5 colors. I can already see so many eye looks. I can't wait to try it. I will tell you that Ilia cheek and lip, I have done that, washed it off. I just did these swatches, wiped them off, and I don't know if you can tell, but in that area where I put that cheek, it's still red. I mean, you better put it where you want it. Okay, and last but not least in this cute little pop-up haul that I have is the CoverFX Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. That is what the box looks like. Let's get in here. I generally really enjoy the CoverFX products. Oh, it's already pretty. I see why they call it Gold Bar. It's just gold and metal feeling. I'm sure it's plastic, though it feels kind of metally. Oh, it's so pretty. This reminds me of my Hourglass Ambient Trio. It's a lot like it, but this will serve 2 purposes. A, I think this is a little bit warmer than that trio is. And there are days like today where I go a little warmer. I have a little bit of a warmer lip on and blush. I used that Mally set that I used in the Beauty with Benefits from QVC. So it's a warmer look. So I might lean a little warmer in my highlightings. And 2, when I travel, I'm afraid to travel with my Hourglass palette because it's pricey and I am always afraid something bad is going to happen to it. And this was $12. It is a $39 product, but for $12, I can risk it traveling. And what I wrote down about it was this trio of highlighters delivers multi-dimensional glow to cheeks, eyes, shoulder, and décolletage. And the main reason I wrote that down is I love it when it says cheeks and eyes because there is nothing that makes me happier than grabbing a little bit of highlighter and just popping it right in the inside corner of my eye. Not even here corner, but here, because I have such a small eye space that I really need anything that's gonna help it pop. Let's swatch these. This one is called Rose Gold. How gorgeous is that? So pretty. The middle one is called White Gold. Put that right in the middle on my hand. This is a little rougher. The Hourglass Ambient palettes are like, they're like silk. They're so fine and they're gorgeous. And this is a little rougher than that, but it's still gorgeous. That is what it looks like with the white gold next to it. And the last one is called 24 Karat Gold. Let's swatch that. Oh, this is so wearable. You know, talking about the warm, a lot of times with the golds, I can't wear them because they are so warm, but this is gorgeous. I like this a lot. I hope you guys can see the differences in those 3 colors. So that is the CoverFX Gold Bar Highlighting Palette. And like I said, it was $12, normally $39. So that's why I did this. It was crazy good deals. And I didn't sign on right away, so some of the really good stuff had already sold out. If you ever do Boxy pop-up, unfortunately, they don't say that they're gonna release it at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. You just have to keep getting in and checking. And you want to do that because the good stuff sells out really quickly. So for $41, I got $143 worth of product, which is a little more than if you did a subscription box, because oddly enough, I put together 5 products. So it's like I built my own little Boxycharm. So instead of costing me $25, it cost me $41. But they're products that I chose, products that I have wanted to try for so long and that I am super pleased with. And I know other people have probably already long since received these in their boxes, but these are products that I didn't get, so I'm super happy to have them. So I have the Pistachio Lotion Bar, the Ilia Cheek and Lip, the PopSugar Beauty Little Eye Trio, the Cover FX highlighters, that is gorgeous, and the Blushing Berries from Dose of Color, this eyeshadow palette, which is gorgeous. I am thrilled. So let me know below, what do you think of my choices? Have you tried these products? Do you like them? Do you not? Feel free to tell me if you do not. It is fine. Did you do Boxy Pop-Up? Have you received yours? And did it come in just a little bag too? And what was the condition? This feels like it was really risky sending all of these products in just a little bag, but I guess it saves them a lot in shipping. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to stop by and say hello. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon. Take care.